It started with a sound. A sharp, repetitive tone shattered the silence of my room. My phone vibrated violently on the nightstand. Its screen glowing an unnatural shade of red. I gradually reached for it, expecting some weather warning or emergency test. But when my eyes adjusted, my stomach twisted. National emergency alert. Remain indoors. Lock all doors and windows. Stay silent. Do not answer if you hear knocking. Await further instructions. A chill ran down my spine. Outside, the world was disturbingly quiet. No cars, no sirens. No voices, just silence. I hesitated before pulling back the curtain. The streetlights flickered, casting jagged shadows on the empty road. But it wasn't completely empty. A few people stood outside, motionless, their heads tilted down, staring at their phones. Their faces were bathed in the same eerie red glow as mine. And then there was him. A man stood in the middle of the street, directly under a flickering street lamp. He wasn't looking at his phone. He wasn't moving. His posture was unnatural, arms hanging limply by his sides. Then I heard it. A knock at the door. Soft, deliberate. I turned away from the window, every hair on my body standing on end. The knock came again 3 times, slow and steady. I backed away. Do not answer if you hear knocking. Another knock, louder. My breath hitched. My apartment door had a peephole, but I didn't want to look. I knew I shouldn't. My phone buzzed. Another alert. Do not look at them. My pulse roared in my ears. The screen distorted, static crawling over the text before the message changed. Do not let them in. I locked the deadbolt with shaking hands. Silence. Then my phone buzzed once more. They are already inside. A shadow moved in the corner of my vision. I spun around. My closet door just a crack open. No, I had closed it before bed. The air grew thick. The room felt like a trap. Then I saw it, a shape lurking in the darkness beyond the door. Too tall, its head nearly scraping the top of the frame. Limbs too long. It didn't move, didn't breathe, but I could feel it watching me. My phone slipped from my grasp, thud. Then the emergency alert tone again. But distorted, warped. The robotic voice cracked, like static twisting into something else. And then it spoke. Why did you look? The closet door creaked wider. A hand pail, impossibly thin, curled around the frame. The TV in my living room flickered on, showing a blurry live feed of me, standing there. And behind me, the figure in the closet began to move. The alert changed one last time. It sees you. The lights went out, and the knocking started again.